Hi, I'm Corey, and today I'm going to show you how to make your own barn door instead of spending several $100s off of one of those pre-made ones. But let's take a look at what we're going to need. Obviously, we're going to need a door. Depending upon the type of doors that you have in your house, you can go to your local hardware store and purchase one that's very similar. Let's say that your door is 28 inches. You'll want to add 3 to 4 inches on either side in order to have full coverage. You're also going to need a 1x4 piece of wood. And what we're going to be doing with this is putting this at the top so that your door has something to hang on. A barn door kit, which you can find online. I found this one for around $30. And then of course tools. I recommend getting a drill, tape measure, and level. Okay, the first step is to put our wood trim that we will attach our railing to. We're doing this so that the door can come out just a little bit and not actually hit this door frame. Okay, so after you put your wood trim piece up, the next part is to put the railing up. Now, each kit's going to be a little different with changes here and there. But otherwise, the one thing that you need to make sure that you do is to make sure that you keep everything level, or you're going to have your door slide to one side. One thing that I do recommend is a laser leveler. A lot of times these things really are a godsend. So let's get started on that. Okay, so we just put the rail up, and the next part is for us to put all the other parts on the door. Okay, so I just finished installing the 2 hangers, and now it's time to go and hang the door. Okay, the moment of truth. Hanging the door. There we have it. A barn door. And you did it yourself, all for under $100 with a simple kit and a standard door. Of course, you can go out and spend about $300 to $125 on a handle to complete the look. Thanks for watching.